What is going on, ladies and gentlemen? Let's get straight into today's topic, because today is going to be a PSA, a public service announcement for any of you guys just like me who own a 2024 to 2025, or even if they're making the 2026 Daytona 660s. Hopefully on the new ones that have not left the production line, they have fixed this. But I'm reading my notes because today I found out that these bikes, again, if you have a Daytona 660, there is a critical recall on them that you guys need to hurry up, contact your dealer, and let them know. I'll be putting a screenshot of what they say in the video, but long story short, there is something that is catastrophic that can, one, prematurely wear down your engine, and two, can cause you to crash. This premature wearing of the engine could literally, at high speeds and when you're driving, cause the engine to fail and lock up, and therefore cause you a crash. So let's get into what the issue is, how it's fixed, and what you guys need to do to ensure that you guys get your Daytona serviced, fixed, and ensure that you guys don't run into this issue. So first and foremost, let's get into the topic of what the issue is. So long story short, I don't know what the specifications, how they choose their specifications, or anything like that. But the issue with these bikes are that the dipstick is not long enough. So long story short, because they're not, I should say not that they're not long enough, that they are not to spec. So currently, whenever you guys are driving and you guys are braking really hard or moving a lot, there could be a situation where the engine is starving itself from oil. As the oil moves back and forth, the pickup tube ends up picking up air, and because of that, that causes things to overheat on the engine, therefore causes premature wear. Part of the service and part of the things that they're going to do is they're going to give you a brand new dipstick that measures, I believe it's 0.4 of a quart or close to half a quart more. So not only do you get a new dipstick, but they should also be adding more oil. Thankfully for me, I'm already taking my bike to get the 1 year service, because it's already been 1 year since I've owned this bike. And when I was there and called them to schedule that 1 year service, I told them, hey, I saw online that there's Daytona 660s with recalls. I'll give you guys a link to the website if you guys are in the USA, where you guys can look up if there's a recall on your bike per your VIN number. And sure enough, mine says it right there, and I'll put it in the screen. In quick summary, it says engine damage, including deterioration and complete loss of functionality. Consequence: the engine may degrade prematurely due to internal damage. In extreme cases, this could increase the risk of crash, especially during high demanding driving conditions. And it's in those high demand driving conditions where this bike could be pulling that air up and prematurely damaging the engine. And then here's the steps that you guys need to do. Contact your local dealership. Tell them if you verify that you have the recall on your bike. Schedule it, and it is absolutely free. You don't have to do anything. Just drop off the bike, have them fix it. And in their remedy section says Triumph Motorsport or motorcycle dealers will increase the engine oil capacity and install a redesigned dipstick to ensure accurate oil measurement. Again, they need to add 0.4 of a quart of oil and the new dipstick. So again, just wanted to give you guys a quick PSA, because I personally did not find out, because I didn't get a letter in the mail. No one told me. What happened is on Instagram, thankfully for Instagram, I seen someone bring this up, like, hey, the Daytona has a recall, and I thought, what? It looks like this recall date started on August 22nd. Today is September 13th, and they have yet to contact me. My own dealership, I have yet to get any kind of letter in the mail. So guys, please, if you guys are going to continuously ride these, the biggest thing is when you guys are riding them hard, that's when these issues occur. If you guys are just doing daily rides, aren't braking hard, and you're just driving normal, I believe you guys should be good to go. But regardless, get this bike fixed, get it serviced, and ensure your safety. That being said, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Let me know in the comment section below, what do you think about this recall? Do you think, do we frown upon Triumph? Because, I mean, they've been making bikes for quite a while. You would think that they should know how to consider oil and dipstick levels. But, guys, this is a brand new bike. There's a lot of new things going on with this bike. So I think I'll give them the pass, even though the engine comes from the Triumph 660. They're used slightly different because this is a sport bike, that being a naked bike. But anyways, hope you guys have a wonderful day. Peace out, and remember to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one. Be safe.